Steve Danko here, and I'm about to unbox some stuff, which I think is from Australia, regarding the Fallout Lanius support. I did through Dracogen, and I am getting two props from the film. One is the industrial hand, I believe, and the other is the giant sword used in the film. Actually, I'm going to go for this sword first, because this sword is just so cool. We're going to see what this looks like. Doesn't look like that end opens. Maybe we slide it out. Figure this out. Still kind of amazed that a giant sword, real or not, made it through customs without me getting a call from anyone. Looks good. Got a good shot of that on this camera. You'll excuse me for a sec. Alright, let's have a look at this. Maybe I'll get rid of this so that don't feel you have to keep me in the frame. We can let's focus on the sword here. It's December 4th, but it feels like Christmas to me. I've successfully removed one layer of packaging. Now I have to start to get a little more careful because I don't want to inadvertently nick the prop that's underneath. Might actually be better just to go through the bubble wrap. This knife is not particularly sharp. Oh, that's awesome. Oh yeah, that is awesome. Yep. That's awesome. All right, let's have a look at, I'm going to keep that bubble wrap right there. Let's have a look at what's in this box. Maybe a little messy. So be it. All right. Let's see what the best avenue of attack here is. Probably cut away from the prop in case I slip. And yet, almost there. I know right where these are going. actually spins. And apparently there's a motor which is going to come separately. That is not bad. Let me get a better angle on that. Wow. And of course I'll try it on shortly. Let's see if it fits. A little bit tight. Actually, it's a lot tight. My hands are too manly to go in this giant awesome prop. That's all I'm saying. But I can just sort of fake it. Yeah, Christmas, right? December 4th, but full on Christmas. All right, these will go in my private collection, which I will actually post photos of at some point. I have some beautiful display cabinets downstairs, and these will look pretty awesome inside of them. But as for now, that's my unboxing of the Fallout Lanius props that I got for participating in Fallout Lanius. And if you have not actually seen Fallout Lanius, you really should. I'm sure there's a way for me to link to that video somewhere. I'm not a YouTube or Facebook video aficionado, but I'm going to figure out a way, and if you're watching this, there'll be a link somewhere around to watch that. All right, guys, thanks for sending me the props. This is pretty damn awesome. Bye-bye.